everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Prerna here and I'm very happy to see you all after a very long time. In today's video I'll be sharing with you my festive makeup kit for you all. Yes, this will be an affordable makeup kit and everything will get under rupees 600. So let's begin. If you like the video, then do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That would mean the whole world to me. And without any further ado, let's begin the video. Now I'll be showing or giving you the price details of all the products in my description, and I'll give the price over here as well. Let's begin. The first I'll be sharing with you, it is primer or priming moisturizer, because winters are coming and you need a little bit of moisturization for your skin as well. So I have two products that I love the most. First one is the Sugar Illuminating Moisturizer. This is like a highlighting primer, I would say. It is in the shade Gold Digging. It has very beautiful glitter specks that gives you like shiny glow as well as primes. You can see how beautiful how pretty the reflex is. Now the second one I have for you is this. This is the Maybelline Master Prime Mattifying Primer. This is for all my oily skin girls who love to have that matte finish in winters as well. This one will give you a more dewy and highlighting base, whereas this one will give you a more mattifying finish. And now they have changed the packaging of this and it is now the Fit Me Primer. Consistency is very beautiful. It's not a silicone based primer, but yeah, it does the work very beautiful. You can see my pores are all blurred out. Now after primer we'll have a foundation. For foundation I have kept just one product for all your needs. If you want a dewy base, you can add a little bit of a facial oil to the foundation to make it more glowy and dewy. And if you want a more mattifying face, you can always go directly without any facial oil in the foundation. For this I have the Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Foundation. You can see it comes in a rose gold packaging. I love the packaging of this product. It is so beautiful and it sets on your skin beautifully. I am in the shade Warm Beige. Yeah, it is my perfect match, so you guys can go for this as well. For concealer I have two products again. The first one is this. This is the PAC Take Cover Concealer. It retails for $4.99 and very beautiful concealer, blends like a dream, has very high coverage. It's like a buildable coverage, medium to buildable coverage. You can build it to get a full-on coverage for your face. You can also go with just this concealer and no foundation. You will still look flawless because it hides your flaws beautifully and it blends like a dream. This is the Cult Favorite. We have this. This is the Cult Favorite. It is the Maybelline Fit Me and I am in the shade Caramel. This is my tan shade or summer shade, I would say, but it is my favorite concealer. You can see I have used it completely, almost like it has just 4 to 5, not even 4 to 5, just 2 to 3 uses and then it will be over. Now after concealers, let's move on to powder. For powder I have one of my cult favorites for you guys and one which I am loving recently. The cult favorite one is this. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Powder and this is the Halat, you can say. I have completely used and abused. It is my most favorite compact. I was in the shade 310 Sun Beige. And the next one I have is this. This is the Sugar Powder Play Translucent Compact. Now it does come in different shades as well. You can also pick your own shade, but I swear this powder is so beautiful. It literally blends into your skin. It meshes, like it looks so beautiful on your skin after you apply it. And the best part is that being a white powder, it doesn't give you a white cast at all. So that's the reason I prefer this. It does come in different shades as well, so even if you don't want the translucent one, it has a banana powder according to your skin tone. So yeah, this is that. Then we have powder blushes, and for powder blush I'll give you my favorite. Comment down below if you are a blush person or a highlighting person or a bronzer person. And for blush, I have two of my favorite affordable blushes which I love the most. First one is this. This is the LA Colors Rad Rouge blush, and it is in the shade Stoked. It is like that beautiful earthy tone blush, I would say. The next one is also one of my most used and abused blush, and I'm talking about this. This is the Contour De-Force Sugar Contour De-Force blush in the shade Peach Peaks. You can see it has like a dent, almost going to have a dent. It's like a very beautiful peach tone blush. Now we will move on to highlighter. For highlighter, I have just one product, and I have both of its variants because it is my cult favorite. I love that highlighter. I use it almost every time I film. Literally every time I film. It's the most beautiful highlighter in Master Chrome by Face Studio, and it is in the shade Molten Gold. So yeah, I also have it in the shade Molten Rose Gold, and this is how it looks. Now if you guys don't want to invest on just individual products, you can also get 3-in-1 palettes. I have one here, and this is the Contour De-Force palette from Sugar Cosmetics. You can see it has a blush, bronzer and highlighter. This is in the shade Vivid Victory. It is for the darker skin tone, and they also have two more variants, so use your own according to your skin type. The highlighter in this is very subtle and not very blingy. You can see it's very subtle and it looks very beautiful on your skin as well, so you can also go for this palette. After this, we are completed with face, and it's time to move on to our eyes. For eyes, I'll go with two eyeshadow palettes. Very pocket friendly. First one is this. This is the Beauty People eyeshadow Celebrate Beauty Everyday eyeshadow palette. It is in the variant Blowout. Now it has more of like the shimmer shades are more and matte shades are just one, but still this is a very beautiful palette that you get almost 15 eyeshadows in one, and they are very beautiful, blends beautifully, and they swatch very beautiful. Let's swatch a matte one also. And yeah, that's how the matte looks. It's not the best formula, but you can use it if you are a beginner. One I have is this. It's the e.l.f. Bite Size palette, and it is in the shade Carnival Candy. I got this palette specifically for this pop of blue. It's the royal blue, and it looks the pigment is so beautiful. It's very beautiful. I haven't created any looks with this yet, but I was planning to do a look today with all the blue denim and blue eyes, but then I didn't feel like using this one today. So I'll definitely create a look with this and post it on my IG. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram as well if you have come directly from YouTube, so you would see some beautiful looks going on there as well. This is the 20 something makeup fixer, The spray is also very beautiful, you can use it. And this is the Shy Styles Lock It and Forget It Natural Finish Spray. It is 200 rupees for I guess 110 ml of product, but this will last you your lifetime, and I mean it. I have been using it more than a year now, and if you can see, it is still here like this much only and not over, and I use it very religiously. I love this one. You can go and you can choose any one of these and you'll never regret it. I mean it when I say it, because I have used this. Best thing is both of them do not have that strong alcohol or pungent smell, which is why I am using this. I'm a bit sensitive to those smells. It gives me a migraine at times. So let's move on to my favorite eye part. Eyeshadow done. Let's move on to eyebrows. Again, I have two products. One is this. It is the Maybelline Fashion Brow, and I am in the shade grey. It's very beautiful creamy brow pencil. You can see it's very beautiful, and it has that perfect waxy texture as well as the perfect creaminess that you want your brow products to be. So yeah, this is one. My most favorite, most used brow product is this. It is the Miniso Brow Pencil, and why I use it, because it has two ends. First one is this. This is the more thicker end, and this is like a more micro pencil kind of end, which I'm almost done with. Wait, where are you? See, so it gives those beautiful strokes. These are the strokes you'll get. Something that I am loving currently, and it's kajal or kohl pencils. The first one is this. It's the Maybelline Tattoo Studio kohl pencil or crayon gel liner. It's a gel liner, and I'm in the shade teal. You can see the shade. Colored liners are my favorite, and I love using colored liners on my eye. One I have is from Purple. It's the normal purple kajal, and why I love it, this one is because it's affordable, and yet it is very like the jet black you get. It is one of that. And wait, see. It's very pigmented, and it will move on to our next product, which is mascara. Product, because I have been loving this recently, and it is the Colorbar Zoom and Whoosh mascara. Why I love it, because it has like single wand, but this is the first wand for your upper lashes, and then it has another cap which opens like this, and boom, you have less product for your lower lashes. So you can just have this one product rather than having a big mascara wand and a small mascara wand. Just one product and you're good to go. I've almost completed everything that you want in your makeup kit. So for lipsticks, yeah, we are left with lipsticks, but for lipsticks I have decided to make a dedicated video, because otherwise this video will be super long and you guys might get bored. So with that, we come to the end of our video. Hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, just comment down below what was your favorite product. Hope to see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.